Ooh, oh, that's the hitch hitting the driveway. That didn't sound good. Now, some of you might be wondering what the tow rating is of the Bintelli cart and the little makeshift hitch thing I've got going on here. Let me give you a shot of that real quick. So I've just welded up a little bracket frame up under here, and I got a little drop hitch just so I can get the hitch down as low as I can right there, just for my own purposes with this little exercise I'm doing here. And these are fresh, wet, I believe they're oak wood chips, and that is a 5x8 trailer. We're gonna call that level full. I don't even want to think about how much this thing weighs, but my guess is that's gonna be quite a lot of wood chips. Oh, and this is my 8th dump truck load like this, and this cart and this setup has done all of it. So let's go ahead and see how well it pulls away from here. Little spoiler alert, I've had no trouble whatsoever with this thing. Take a look. And as you can see, there's definitely, because that was to the floor, if you wanted to know just how fast I was trying to get it to go. It will get up and go, I'd say 12 to 14 miles an hour, no problem, even with, I'm gonna ballpark it at about 500-600 pounds of wood mulch. I tell you what, I think I'm gonna rethink that weight limit. Right here on the page, on the screen, I'm going to put what Google says, a 5x8 by, I think it's about 18-inch load here. I'm gonna see how much that weighs exactly, because even like some of this, like these are some big loads. These are definitely coming up over the top just a little bit. I mean, there's some peaks and valleys, but tell you what, let's put this thing on. Let me get this turned down. All right, let's see what the speedometer says. Oop, that's reverse. Get around this corner. Ooh, I tell you what, those brakes still work. That was 12 miles an hour. It felt like it still had something left in it. So let's put the next one on the road. See how fast we can get that one up and going. Now, once this load gets back here, let me set the camera down. You can see that I'm even gonna push this thing up on the ramp. So here, take a look at this. No problem whatsoever. Zips right up there. Okay, and as you can see, we've got this thing good and loaded up with a full pile of wood chips. Let's see how fast we can get it going. Ooh, oh, that's the hitch hitting the driveway. That didn't sound good. Ooh, there we go, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, dang. Okay. So braking might be a little bit more of a challenge. Let's go this way. Now we're going uphill. Yeah, I'm gonna say this thing really just, it's a little slow to get up and go. But hey, this thing can really haul chips. All right, here we go again. Let's do us a little speed run just for fun. Ooh, 22, 23. 23. Oh, wow. Yeah. Braking definitely takes a little bit longer to do. But just so that you can see, unbroken shot, stomp on the brakes. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna say that's a lot more than 500 pounds. I'm looking forward to seeing what Google has to say about it.